Ever wondered how to achieve a balance that nurtures your mind, body, and spirit? Welcome to an exploration of holistic wellness, a journey that invites you to engage with your whole self, to cultivate a life of balance and fulfillment. Holistic wellness, as the name suggests, is an approach to health and well-being that recognizes the interconnection of mind, body, and spirit. It's not just about being free from illness, but about nurturing a state of vibrant health that allows you to thrive and live life to its fullest. It's a journey, not a destination, a commitment to nurturing our whole selves throughout our lives. Our exploration will cover several key areas, starting with setting our intentions. This is about reflecting on what aspects of our mind, body, and spirit we want to nurture and improve. This intention setting is a crucial first step, providing the foundation for our holistic wellness journey. Next, we'll delve into ways to nurture the mind, from mindfulness meditation and positive affirmations to prioritizing mental health through therapy or counseling. We'll also explore activities that stimulate the mind, such as reading, puzzles, and learning new skills. Then we'll turn to the body, discussing the importance of a balanced diet, regular exercise, ample sleep, and self-care activities that nurture our physical selves. The spirit, too, plays a vital role in holistic wellness. We'll look at how connecting with nature, cultivating a spiritual practice, engaging in soul-nourishing activities, and practicing daily gratitude can enhance our spiritual well-being. Finally, we'll explore how to integrate these mind, body, and spirit practices into a daily routine that supports holistic wellness. We'll provide guidance on creating a wellness plan, prioritizing self-care, and seeking support from a community of like-minded individuals and holistic health practitioners. So buckle up, dear friends, as we embark on this exciting journey towards holistic wellness. It's a path that's rich, rewarding, and full of surprises, a chance to uncover a more balanced, fulfilling life. Join us as we explore how to nurture holistic wellness. The first step towards holistic wellness begins with setting your intentions. Picture a journey, not a destination. Your wellness journey is deeply personal, and it starts with understanding your own needs. Take a moment to reflect. What areas of your mind, body, and spirit need nurturing? Perhaps you seek mental clarity, physical vitality, or spiritual connection. Identifying these areas is crucial in aligning your actions with your wellness goals. It's like drawing a map to direct your steps. This is not about perfection, but about progress. It's about embracing the journey with all its ups and downs. Remember, your intentions should inspire you. They should kindle your motivation and resonate with your values. They're not rigid rules, but guiding principles. They're your compass, steering you towards holistic wellness. Embrace this journey with an open heart and a curious mind. Having clear intentions is the foundation of your holistic wellness journey. The mind is a powerful tool. Let's learn how to nurture it. Holistic wellness is a journey that begins with understanding our minds. It's about realizing that our thoughts, emotions, and perceptions play a significant role in our overall well-being. So how can we nurture our minds for holistic wellness? One effective way is through mindfulness meditation. This is a practice that helps quiet the mind, bringing it to a state of calm and peace. By focusing on your breath or a word or phrase, you can learn to let go of distracting thoughts and feelings. This can help reduce stress, improve focus, and promote a sense of inner peace. Another powerful way to nurture the mind is through positive affirmations and self-talk. These are statements that we tell ourselves to foster self-belief and confidence. For instance, saying to yourself, "I am capable, I am resilient," can go a long way in promoting mental well-being. It's not just about positive thinking, but about cultivating a positive mindset that can influence how we approach life's challenges. Let's not forget that the mind, like any muscle, needs exercise. Engaging in activities that stimulate your mind, such as reading, puzzles, or learning new skills, can contribute to mental agility and vitality. These activities not only keep the mind sharp, but also foster creativity and innovation. Lastly, prioritizing mental health is crucial. If you're feeling overwhelmed, it's okay to seek help. Therapy or counseling can provide a safe space to express your feelings, confront your fears, and find ways to cope with life's stresses. Remember, there's no shame in seeking help, and taking care of your mental health is a vital part of nurturing your mind. In sum, nurturing the mind involves practices that promote mental calm, cultivate a positive mindset, stimulate mental agility, and prioritize mental health. It's about recognizing that our minds have immense potential and learning how to harness this potential for our well-being. Nurturing the mind is essential for holistic wellness. As we continue our journey towards holistic wellness, let's remember to give our minds the care they deserve. The path to wellness is not a sprint, but a marathon. And every step we take towards nurturing our minds brings us closer to achieving holistic wellness. A healthy body houses a healthy mind and spirit. This adage holds a profound truth, reminding us of the essential role our physical wellness plays in our overall well-being. Nurturing your body goes beyond the occasional gym session or the sporadic healthy meal. It's about consistency, balance, and understanding your body's unique needs. Let's delve into some crucial aspects of physical wellness. First and foremost, establishing a balanced and nutritious diet is paramount. Opt for whole foods, vibrant fruits, leafy vegetables, and lean proteins. These foods not only provide energy but also supply essential nutrients and vitamins that support our body's functions. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body, so choose wisely. Next, incorporate regular exercise into your routine. This doesn't necessarily mean you need to become a marathon runner or a weightlifting champion. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's dancing, swimming, yoga, or simply taking a brisk walk. Regular physical activity strengthens your heart, builds muscles, enhances flexibility, and boosts your mood. Sleep, often overlooked, is a vital component of physical wellness. It's during sleep that our body repairs itself, our mind processes the day, and we recharge for what lies ahead. Strive for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Cultivate a sleep-friendly environment and establish a regular sleep schedule to support this goal. Lastly, self-care activities are essential to nurture your body. These can be as simple as a relaxing bath, a gentle massage, or a skincare routine. These practices not only care for your physical form, but also provide a sense of calm and relaxation, enhancing your emotional wellness. Remember, your body is your vehicle in this journey of life. It deserves care, respect, and love. Listen to it, nurture it, and it will serve you well. By taking care of our bodies, we are laying the foundation for a healthier, happier existence. Taking care of your body is an integral part of holistic wellness. So let's pledge to make our physical health a priority, not an afterthought. After all, a healthy body truly does house a healthy mind and spirit. Our spirit connects us to the world around us and to our inner selves. It's the spark that fuels our passion, drives our purpose, and nourishes our soul. Nurturing your spirit is a fundamental part of holistic wellness, and today we'll be exploring how to do just that. Often we find spiritual nourishment in nature's embrace. Whether it's a tranquil stroll through a forest, a peaceful picnic by a babbling brook, or simply soaking up the sun in a quiet garden, nature has a profound way of soothing our spirit. This practice, known as forest bathing, isn't just a walk in the woods. It's a mindful immersion into nature's nurturing energy. Now let's talk about spiritual practices. These are deeply personal and can vary greatly from person to person. Some may find solace in prayer or meditation, while others may feel a connection through yoga or mindfulness practices. The key is to find a practice that resonates with your spirit and cultivates a sense of peace and tranquility. Next, we have activities that bring joy. These are the pursuits that light up your soul and make your spirit sing. Maybe it's painting a lovely sunset, strumming a gentle melody on your guitar, or immersing yourself in a captivating novel. Whatever your joy-bringing activity may be, make sure you carve out time for it in your daily routine. Finally, we have the practice of gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful force that can transform your perspective, fill your spirit with positivity, and instill a sense of contentment. Take a moment each day to reflect on the blessings in your life, big or small, and express your appreciation for them. This simple act can greatly uplift your spirit and contribute to your overall well-being. Remember, nurturing your spirit isn't a one-time event, but a continuous journey. It's about making conscious choices each day that honor your inner self and align with your spiritual values. Nurturing your spirit enhances your holistic wellness journey. It empowers you to live a more balanced, fulfilling life, interconnected with the world around you and true to your innermost self. Holistic wellness is about integrating mind, body, and spirit practices into your life. This integration is a dynamic process where all aspects of your well-being come together to form a harmonious whole. Start by creating a wellness plan. This is your roadmap to holistic health, outlining specific goals and actionable steps for nurturing your mind, body, and spirit. Prioritize self-care, making time for activities that feed all dimensions of your health. This could be as simple as taking a quiet moment to breathe, going for a brisk walk, or immersing yourself in a good book. And remember, you don't have to walk this path alone. Seek support from a community of like-minded individuals or holistic health practitioners. These relationships can provide encouragement, inspiration, and valuable guidance as you navigate your wellness journey. Remember, you're not alone in your holistic wellness journey.